So when a complaint is initiated, it must first be brought to the Employment Discrimination Bureau with the North Carolina Department of Labor. And the law actually requires workers to go through the North Carolina Department of Labor before filing a lawsuit in court. So, bear that in mind, that you're going to have to, bring the case first to the Department of Labor. For violations related to the Workers' Compensation Act, the Employment Discrimination Bureau has a questionnaire and a form that they want filled out and signed in bringing a RETA complaint. And you can get a copy of that form and questionnaire by actually calling their phone number, which is 1-800-NC-LABOR, LABOR. Also, a very important aspect of RETA, probably the biggest point, is the form must be filed, and that means actually received by the North Carolina Department of Labor within 180 days of the date of the last retaliatory or discriminatory act taken by your employer. So 180 days is roughly 6 months. It's not a lot of time, in the big scheme of things. And that time can go fast, and if you sit on your rights and you do nothing, you will not be able to bring a RETA complaint later. It's probably the number one bar I see to bringing a RETA complaint is sitting on your rights and doing nothing for 6 months. So once the Department of Labor has a RETA complaint form, it begins its investigation, it gathers evidence, and then it makes a determination based on the evidence it's gathered and obtained. And if the Department of Labor finds that it doesn't have enough to make a finding that retaliation or discrimination occurred, it gives a worker something called a right to sue letter. And these are actually fairly common. And they have, you would have 90 days after that letter to file a lawsuit in court. It probably goes without saying that if you believe that you may have a viable RETA complaint, you should consult with an attorney, not just about filing a lawsuit in court, but also in filling out a form, because you want to make sure you get everything all in there and improve your chances of finding some sort of merit from the Employment Discrimination Bureau.